Best building toys for 3-year-old boy. For an active, curious, and playful toddler, you need a best building toys that's sure to keep him interested while also helping him grow and develop. At Building Toys, we've made it easier than ever to find the best gifts for 3-year-old boys by putting together this collection of our most popular picks for that age and gender. These aren't just guesses at what your little guy will like. Our age ratings are highly specific and based on real customer feedback, ensuring that you get a gift you'll truly love to play with. Discover an incredible collection of inspired toys for kids when you shop online at Building Toys. Number 1. Classic Large Creative Multicolor Brick Building Kit. Unleash your kids' creativity with this building kit full of colorful toys. This 790-piece set contains a variety of colors and pieces for building anything from a toy scooter to a toy house. Kids can build and play for hours with 8 different types of toy windows and toy doors, 2 green base plates, and 6 toy tires and toy wheel rims. It won't be long before kids are using this creative kit to build a castle or build a figure. The LEGO Classic Large Creative Brick Box is the perfect construction set to complement other LEGO sets or play with on its own. Brand Story by LEGO. Number 2. Disney Ariel's Undersea Castle Imaginative Building Toy for Kids. LEGO Duplo Disney Ariel's Undersea Castle 10922 entertains and stimulates young minds, developing social and emotional skills with a mermaid's playground, full of fun features and role-play stories. Featuring popular kids' movie characters Ariel and Flounder, this versatile toy is designed to encourage imaginative role-play and inspire developmental progress. Turning Ariel and Flounder around on the carousel helps to build toddlers' fine motor skills. There's also a slide to play on, a xylophone to make pretend music with, and a sunken treasure chest to open. With familiar figures, favorite locations, and lots of fun features, LEGO Duplo Disney Building Toys provide preschoolers with the perfect introduction to playful learning and provide parents and caregivers with a chance to share precious developmental milestones with their little Disney fan. Number 3. 450 PCS Wooden Log Cabin Set Building House Toy for Toddlers. Made of imported birch wood from Australia. Each piece is made of real high-quality birch wood. Each has indentations that can be used to connect it with others. It includes roof facade, walls, chimney, porch, fences like real house. Your little one can build their own house for hours. Each piece is colored with precision and careful attention to detail to evoke the nostalgia of childhood. Most of blocks are stained bright brown. Parents can participate with your kids. Playtime will enhance their creativity as they analyze where each part should go. These classic building blocks encourages color learning, counting, and problem-solving skills, and provide endless hours fun of building, counting, simple math, comparing, and all kinds of hands-on early learning. Number 4. Duplo My Town Family House Building Block Toys for Toddlers. Play out real-life scenarios in LEGO Duplo My Town, a recognizable world with modern Duplo figures. There are endless play opportunities in this easy-to-build house. Toddlers can have fun practicing activities and routines, from getting up in the morning, preparing and eating a meal to washing the car. Watch role-play skills develop as they play out everyday life with 3 Duplo figures with this best toy for 3-year-olds. Number 5. Creativity Building Toys for Dexterity and Fine Motricity. Build, create and play with batted bristle blocks. This set of batted bristle blocks comes with 128 building blocks and a storage bucket with lid. This is one of the best building sets for kids of all ages. The large pieces are easy to grab and fit perfectly in a toddler's hand, while the design is unique and funky enough to get older kids to create their own elaborate masterpiece. Have little ones use their imagination to build and rebuild beautiful 3D sculptures. Providing hours of creative play, these plastic building blocks feature soft interlocking bristles that connect together at any angle, perfect for little hands or even a little massage. All bristle blocks playsets are compatible with B-Toys Spinaroos and stackable. Combine bristle block sets together to create even bigger builds. Recommended for 2+. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.